Hello there guys, welcome back to another Roblox studio tutorial. Today we will be making a spinning part. Step 1, you will want to place a part and scale it down to however you want. Then don't forget to anchor it. Then step 2, place another part on top of that part and scale it however you want. Do not anchor this one. Then once you have something that looks similar to mine, move this one up. Then go to Model, Create, and under Create tab, click Hinge. Then get underneath this part and try to place the hinge centered as well onto there. Now, click on Hinge Constraint, scroll down till you see Actuator Type, and then click Motor. Then Motor, there. Angular Velocity, set it to however much you want. For this tutorial, I will be doing 8. And max torque, we will only want 900,000. And now, to test it, click Play. And here is the spinning part. That's all for the tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And please like and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.